Hey everyone, Julie here. What's up? Today in this video, I am going to show you how to advertise your lead magnet on social media for free. So if you have not watched the first video in this series, which is lead magnet ideas, and you can't come up with a lead magnet idea, be sure to watch that video after you're done with this one, because I give you all kinds of ideas way easier than you think. But let's assume you've watched that one, you have a lead magnet, you have a lead funnel, you don't have a big budget for Facebook ads and Instagram ads. I totally get it. Lots of you bootstrap. In fact, my business, for the first 2-3 years of my business, I didn't even touch ads. So all of these methods will work completely free. All you need is a social media account on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. All right, so let's start with Instagram. Instagram is hot, 1 billion users. How can you advertise your lead magnet on Instagram? Well, first, the most obvious way is right in the link in bio. So you can go ahead and put a link right to your lead magnet funnel right there, and anytime you're talking in a post or in a story or in an IGTV, you can say, be sure to check out my link in bio. Now that will get hits for sure, but some people are lazy. So what we have to do is think strategically about other ways to get them into our funnel off of Instagram. I would encourage you on Insta stories, which are super popular. If you have the swipe up feature, you're going to want to advertise your lead magnet, talk about it, do some captivating story promos, and then tell people to swipe up. But what if you don't have the swipe up? Don't worry about it. This takes a teeny bit of effort on your part, but still works. Instead, do DM me. There are so many people who don't have the swipe up who simply say, if you're interested, make sure to DM me and I'll give you the link. And that will get people talking to you. And yeah, you gotta respond with the link, but that's okay. The third thing you can do for Insta stories or posts or anywhere on Instagram is make sure you are generating easy links to remember. So even if you have a big long domain like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.com, people aren't gonna type that in. So maybe you wanna get a little software that creates these pretty links, these short links like super.com. And then you can do super.com/free. Even if you can't get the link in your post captions to be hyperlinked, if it's an easy link, they're more likely to click on it. You might have also seen on Instagram posts, it's really popular to have posts where you have content and then you swipe, and each swipe is a different piece of content. On that last swipe, you want to say, for more, download at super.com/free. All right, so that's how you can do Instagram. Now let's move on to Facebook. I talked about in that last video a super easy hack for a free lead magnet on Facebook. So again, if you haven't checked that video out, make sure you do. But here's some things that you can do. Number one, Facebook has Messenger, and there are all kinds of messenger bots. Now you can use this organically or you can use it with paid ads, but people love to do those cool little quizzes in a software like ManyChat, and you can get them to do quizzes or download free funnels using the little ManyChat messenger bot. The other thing you can do is litter your link all over your profiles and your pages. Here's some places you can do it. Number one, in the cover photo. Actually type out the URL, but don't just stop there. Click on the cover photo and in the description put the link, because it will be hyperlinked. If you want to be really fancy, you can actually create a cover photo that says, download my free checklist, click here. You can create an arrow, a fake button, and when they click on the image, it will pop up and that description will be there with the link. You can do that with your cover photo. Also, on personal profiles, you have spots for links on the left-hand side. You have it in your little bio. You also have it if you want to use that featured photo. So there's a bunch of places to put that link on Facebook. I hope you're paying attention right now. One of my favorite tricks is to actually talk about my lead magnet on my personal profile. I talk about it, I put up a cool post, I add my link right there, and then I go into big busy Facebook groups. And my whole goal in those big busy Facebook groups is to just comment and be super funny or super controversial or super helpful. What happens? I don't even have to post in those groups. I just have to comment. And people, if they like my comment, they'll hit the thumb, I'll get a like, and my comment will rank in relevancy. And on hot threads, when people come into that group to read and they see my name and my comment and my relevancy, what are they gonna do next? They're gonna go creep on my profile. And well, what's sitting on my profile? My cover photo, my featured image, and my latest post talking about my lead magnet. So we've covered Instagram, we've covered Facebook. Now let's talk about YouTube. YouTube allows you to actually put links right in the description. So if you're doing an amazing course or an amazing free value content challenge, anything you want on YouTube, you can actually put the link to your lead magnet right below in the description. Super simple. In fact, in our description, if you go to funnelbeginners.com, that will be a lead magnet where you can learn all about funnels. It is an entirely free course. So YouTube, you can do that. You can also add end cards. You can also send people, you can do YouTube switcheroos where you go on somebody else's channel and they come on your channel, and that's a way to cross-pollinate audiences. Again, all totally free. Another social media platform, which actually isn't really a social media platform anymore. It used to be, but it's not really now. It's a search engine, and that is Pinterest. And Pinterest is great for traffic. In fact, the 3 most trafficked search engines in the world are Google, Amazon, and Pinterest. So if you want to use Pinterest, you can create beautiful pinned images that lead to your lead magnet funnel. You can also have them lead to blog posts, and those blog posts can lead to your lead magnet funnel. Okay, so Pinterest is a really great tool, social media tool, to advertise your lead magnet. Lastly, this doesn't really count for social media, but it is really compelling. On the bottom of all of your emails, your personal emails, your business emails, your marketing emails, make sure the link to your funnel is in the footer so people will see. Make sure there's a really curious headline that they will click on and then go into your lead magnet. As I said before, make sure to watch the lead magnet ideas. And the other thing is there's another video about how to lead people to your sales funnel. Any type of sales funnel, doesn't have to be a free lead magnet. Be sure to check that one out. If you like these videos, please hit the subscribe button, smash the bell, comment, tell us how much you're enjoying this content. We truly, truly appreciate it.